We are halfway through this month of December, and we have been so cold. Look at this. All blue boxes, meaning no days have been above average for temperatures. They've all been below, and this is like significant stuff. We're running 10.5 degrees below normal. In Bangor, no difference. In fact, it's been a little worse. We're running 13.5 degrees below normal. I think we're going to do one more blue box today, and then we're actually going to get a few red ones in a row, which will just be nice to see and, more importantly, nice to feel. It doesn't feel great outside this morning. It's pretty cold. We do have some single digits. We just dropped to 9 in Brunswick, 7 Waterville, 4 Calais, and you can see a few more up in the county. Most, though, are in the teens, 13 for Lewiston and Bangor, 14 in Augusta, 19 Portland, and it's actually 20 in Sanford and 21 in Portsmouth. We do have a high draped right over the East Coast, so it's nice and quiet in the eastern third of the U.S. Tomorrow and in the days ahead, we're going to be on the backside of this high, so winds go around like this around high pressure, and that brings in a southerly breeze, which is a warmer direction for us, as opposed to the northwest gusts that we had yesterday that brought in that frigid air mass and those ice-cold wind chills. This morning, patchy clouds. Otherwise, it will be bright as the sun comes up in a little bit. Cold out there, but we won't have those wind chill problems. Midday, look at all this sunshine. Temps recover to normal cold. And if you are working outdoors today, or if you're just simply running errands from shop to shop, you're going to feel a lot better. It's going to be way better feeling than it was yesterday. At the end of the day, some high clouds come in. I think we're going to have a pretty sunset. Keep in mind, it's really early in the afternoon, like 4 o'clock right now. High temperatures between 30 and almost 35. We'll get to 30 in Bangor, 31 for Augusta and Lewiston, and a degree above freezing in Portland. Right at the freezing mark in Sanford, and even the mountains will be nice. If you have a day off and you're a skier, today would be a good day for that. No wind up there, really pretty. Tomorrow it is milder. It's partly sunny. We're getting to about 40. Front comes through in the afternoon with a snow shower, especially in the mountains. I think Thursday is the pick of the week. A lot of sun here, and our temperatures will be above 40 degrees, and there won't be much wind either. Then on Friday, it's probably the warmest of the week. Unfortunately, we can't enjoy it because it's going to be pouring most of the day, and it will be windswept rain too. At first out of the south, but in the afternoon, it'll flip to the northwest, and that will bring down the next very cold air mass that we will have to contend with this weekend. I am starting to get a little concerned about the wind potential for Friday. In the morning, we could gust over 40 miles per hour, and then as the front is coming through early in the afternoon, there is potential to see some gusts over 50 miles per hour, especially down east. And if that happens, there could be some isolated to scattered power outages once we start to get above 50 or 55 miles per hour. And then we go to the northwest, and that brings down the cold, and our temperatures come crashing back down. Gale watches, seas 2 to 3 feet, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Mostly sunny, right around 30 today. Partly sunny, right around 40 tomorrow. Low 40s on Thursday with a mix of sun and clouds. And then it's wet and windy on Friday. Saturday and Sunday aren't bad, especially Saturday. Sunday, there'll probably be some snow showers, maybe mixed with some rain showers around.
Okay, it's December.
Yes. Yes, it is.
Hey, we got increased daylight starting on Monday.
It is.
This week.
Yeah, we're, yep.
Almost summer. All right. Thank you, sir.